Hi, welcome to the Iri Kumi of week 6. This is Team Yellow Submarine. This week, our team mainly focused on the setup of our MCU, the hosting of our database, and the development of the front-end part. For the hardware, we are currently working with the famous D1 mini microcontroller. This is a mini Wi-Fi board with 4 megabyte flash and is compatible with Python and Arduino. For the sensors, we are using MPU 6050 with an accelerometer and a gyroscope, trying to sample data from the sensor and transfer it to our board. In the beginning, we also thought of using RF transceivers to send data to our backend server. However, after building and testing the circuit with the transceivers, we found that the range of our device is pretty restricted to the distance between the transmitter and the receiver. And also sometimes we would lose the connection. As a result, we switched to the Wi-Fi module built in the MCU. Using Wi-Fi to transfer data, the MCU can work in a larger range. Our idea now is to send the data collected by the sensor to a web host with a SQL database, and then connect to the database through our backend server. We have created a local web server using the MCU and updated the accelerometer data to the web page. Please ignore the messy data element on this page. The next step is to store this data in MySQL. Right now, we are working on creating a free web host and setting up a database for testing. In the upcoming weeks, we intend to complete the building of database and test the stability and the speed of transferring data. For the front-end part, we have completed a concept version of the app with a user interface. The users can see the visualized data when doing sports, and we added a user ecosystem in which the users can see what their friends are doing. Adding a social feature to our product is what we want to update on the personnel or market. By interviewing some students, we found out that creating a social ecosystem among our users may enlarge the addressable market and attract more customers. People using this device are not alone. They can share their moments with their friends and compete with each other. For the training part of our product, we think it might be hard to tell the users how to perform correctly, but we can inspire them to find a way to do better. In other words, we are trying to create a certain kind of model based on the data we collect and visualize the body motion. By comparing with a shadow model, our users can find a way to improve themselves. What is more, we will also focus on signal processing in the following weeks, trying to clear the noise and fetch the important information from the sensor. And this is significant for model design. Thank you for watching.